Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into an essential tool for professionals and students alike, the Cambridge Limited Business Notebook. We found this product online and have added a link in the description below, so you can easily check the latest price and availability. Now, let's talk about what makes the Cambridge Limited Business Notebook stand out. This notebook features a meeting format with legal ruled paper, which means you have ample space to jot down notes, ideas, and key points during discussions. With dimensions of 8¼ inches by 11 inches, it's a versatile size that fits well in most bags, making it easy to carry around from one meeting to the next. One of the first things you'll notice about this notebook is its flexible soft-touch cover. This not only adds a touch of elegance but also provides durability. It feels comfortable in your hands, whether you're writing in it during a lengthy meeting or just taking quick notes. The Wirebound design allows the notebook to lay flat, making it easy to write on every page without any awkwardness or struggle. Moving on to the paper quality, this notebook contains 80 sheets of legal ruled paper, which is perfect for organized note-taking. The legal ruling gives you the structure needed to maintain clarity in your notes, ensuring that your thoughts are neatly aligned and easy to read when you refer back to them later. Whether you're drafting meeting minutes, brainstorming ideas, or just jotting down thoughts, this legal ruling can help you keep everything in order. So, who is the Cambridge Limited Business Notebook suitable for? Primarily, it's designed for professionals. Whether you're in business meetings, conferences, or client interactions, this notebook can be your reliable companion. But it doesn't stop there. Students can also benefit greatly from this notebook. It's perfect for lectures, study sessions, and group projects where organized notes are essential. Now let's consider some practical use cases. Imagine you're in a fast-paced corporate meeting. You need to capture key points quickly while also making sure everything is organized for easy reference later. The legal ruling helps you write down thoughts clearly without clutter, while the durable cover ensures that the notebook withstands the wear and tear of daily use. Another scenario could be a classroom setting. Students can use this notebook to take notes during lectures, allowing them to focus on what the instructor is saying while jotting down important information in an organized manner. The wire-bound edges mean they can easily flip pages back and forth without worrying about losing any notes in the process. If you're someone who enjoys journaling or would like to keep a daily log of your thoughts and ideas, this notebook can serve that purpose too. The spacious pages allow for ample writing, whether you're reflecting on your day or planning out future projects. In conclusion, the Cambridge Limited Business Notebook is a highly functional tool that offers both style and practicality. With its legal ruled paper, flexible soft-touch cover, and durable wire-bound design, it's an ideal choice for professionals and students alike. If you're looking for a reliable notebook that can keep up with your busy lifestyle while helping you maintain organized notes, this could be the perfect fit for you. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.